Hi everyone. So in this session, I will explain you how can we download the Eclipse and then how can we install the ADT in Eclipse. So how to download the Eclipse? Now I'll add this link in the description, then you can download. So we'll click on this Eclipse download page. Then here, suppose for Windows we are downloading, then we can click this link. We'll click on this link and then download. So it will download Eclipse. The next step is so you have to select that link and then you download. It will download the Eclipse, or you can verify this folder, and then you have to extract that folder. Okay, then click extract in the wizard. So we will extract the folder. I'll show you. After extracting the folder, then we will open the Eclipse folder. And in that folder, we need to verify this file with the extension .exe. So this one, this logo. So then we need to launch workspace. You can see workspace. Then I'll show you like how can we create the project in Eclipse and how can we add the ADT plugin to Eclipse. So I'll show you, but that is still in downloading mode. So this is downloaded. Now if we double click, it will open the Eclipse. It's taking some time. Yeah. So now click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Then install. Accept now. So it is installing. It will take some time.